Hello. So I am cooking. As you can see, today I'm doing a roast beef. So here's the celery I have some onions, and I have some carrots that's already cut. And then I got some potatoes.
What's the name? Christian Rock gets her ass up. Christian Rock got it.
Celery. Okay, some onions.
Hey, y'all playing the way, VJ?
And these potatoes that I'm going to cut as well. Like that. I started to buy this potatoes that's like already small, but I'm like, no, you don't spend any unnecessary money. And yes, I cleaned my potatoes and my celery first. I scrubbed them actually. I should have showed you guys that. But hey, it is what it is. I think that's about enough potatoes. I think that's good. I'm gonna put some of these carrots in there. Of course, I'm gonna clean the carrots because I don't.
Like, be realistic here. Let's be realistic. I already knew they were gonna do it that. We always struggle with him.
Okay. Trash. Put this in. And I'll put this back in the fridge. Okay. That one's done. Alright, if you guys haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so now we're going to work on the browning of the meat. So I do brown it on both sides and I season it while it's browning. Alright, so now that it's out, I'm going to put it on the counter in the pan. Make sure there's no holes or anything in the pan. Then you're going to pour all of your veggies over your meat and spread them out evenly. I'm washing my hands, of course. So the sauces that I usually use would be paprika, seasoned salt, and some complete. I would mix all of that together with some flour and some beef broth and then pour it in. But today I'm switching it up a little. I'll add this slow cooker season. And it was pretty tasty. My family enjoyed it, absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll give you guys a close-up so you can see. I'm gonna wash my hands, so no worries. And I used that whole packet of seasoning. If you guys want to get that seasoning, I'll leave the packet description in the box below. I'm washing my hands once again. I can never run out of paper towels. As you can see, I need at least a 20 count every time. So now I'm grabbing the beef broth, and I'm going to pour this over everything. Just showing you guys what I'm grabbing. Okay, I'll give you a close-up. Alright, so now I added about 2 teaspoons of butter, and I'm going to cover it up with aluminum foil. Cover it pretty tightly. Make sure nothing seeps out so this thing can cook pretty good. And I let this cook for about 4.5, 5 hours. I'll say 5. Didn't bother it on 375. Okay, put it in the oven. And then now we're gonna work on the cornbread. Alright, so here's my cornbread I'm making. Okay, I beat it up and put it in the oven. I did some rice and I did some homemade tea. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you know when I post more. And I'll be back soon. Peace out.